Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to test out this Easy Fuse Tape Professional. It's made by the same people that created the super glue. Made in USA. It's black color. It's made of silicone, and basically I'm hoping that this will repair my abused hose here that has probably about 4 or 5 puncture holes. So this is located in a driveway where we drive through every day, and it has basically suffered for some damages. What kind of damages? Well, let's see. Here's one. There's probably 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's a big one. 5, 6. That's it. So we have 6 holes that I'm going to try to patch using this Easy Fuse tape. And so this has 1-inch thickness, 10-foot long, and we'll see if this can wrap it all the way. I have about, I'm gonna just try to wrap it all the way. I think, I'm not sure. Do I have enough for wrapping it all the way? I think so. All right, so let's get started. Looks like this thing is some kind of double stick tape. It's weird. Let's read the directions first. All right, so this thing works by overlapping over itself. That's why it's called self-fusing. So what we're gonna do is start it at a position where we are going to unroll, and this is actually going to be pretty tough, especially working at it in a dirt area. So you're supposed to keep it at a constant stretch. Yeah, this thing is pretty tough. I think I have mine too long. All right, I think I'm gonna need to get some help. Yeah.
And then put it on itself, so there you go.
Thank you. All right. Self-fusing. Okay, we got 2 sections. We didn't have enough because I think I was doing it too tight on the first set right here, and but according to the instruction, you're supposed to wrap it half, and I think I was wrapping it more than half overlaps. I don't feel any heat or anything like that, but it's definitely on there pretty tight. So the instruction says that within 2 minutes it start holding itself, but to experience a cohesive bond it takes 24 hours. So I guess I'm just going to wait not to turn on the water until 24 hours just to make sure that this is all bonded. Yeah, so it was pretty easy. It took about 2 minutes to do all that. You do need to have two hands. Well, I have dirt on the ground, so I did not want to get it dirty. If you have a clean ground, you probably don't need to have two people. You can possibly just wrap it with one hand. But the problem was you got to unroll this transparent tape while you're rolling that thing on, and it was hard to do that. All right, so we got the pipe here. As you can see, the seal part is intact. It looks like it's working, and then we have the leak here that is still there. So I think this is a winner. If you want to buy the Super Glue Easy Fuse tape to repair your hose, please use the link in the description or the first comment of this video. It helps support my channel, and if you like how this product performs, please give it a thumbs up so other people would discover this product, and please subscribe to my video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.